Okay, I'm about to do a vegetable soup today. hmm And the soup is going to consist of fish. Well, it's a vegetable fish soup. Yes, let me correct that. Not just a vegetable soup, but a vegetable fish soup that I'm doing today. And let me show you what the soup is going to consist of. What kind of vegetables? Oh yeah, that's my camera person, my granddaughter, Isis. Hi, Isis. Well, I'm using kale, carrots, celery, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, cucumbers, onions, yellow onions, beets, and red potatoes, two different kinds of red potatoes. As you can see, these look like they're brown, but they're not brown. They are red potatoes. All right, and I'm going to, for my seasoning, I'm going to use ginger, garlic. I'm gonna use a whole fist of garlic. I'm gonna use more than this. This is like almost a half a fist of garlic, but I'm gonna use a whole fist of garlic because I got some more garlic in there. I'm using lime, 2 limes, 1 lemon. I'm using xylopia. I'm using Italian seasoning. Dragon Well green tea. Seasoned salt. Okay. Well, not seasoned salt, sea salt. My bad. Sea salt. That's what I'm using. As the savior of the food to give it flavor. And I'm using cayenne pepper. This is not the original pepper that is in this here container. I bought the bulk pepper, the African cayenne pepper, and I put it in this here container. And I'm using cumin. And that's about it. And I'm going to use some basil leaves, dry basil leaves, yes. So, but what I'm going to do with the garlic and the ginger, I'm going to put it in this here and we're going to crush it. Okay? And I'm going to put all my dry goods in this here bowl right here. All the dry goods in this bowl. And then I'm going to squeeze the lemon juice out of the lemon by hand. And I'm going to crush the garlic and the ginger by hand in this here thing here. I don't know what you call it. And then I'm going to add it all in this here bowl and mix it together before I add it to my soup, my vegetable fish soup. My fish is in here defrosting. Yeah. So I'm defrosting the fish like that. And I'm going to put my potatoes in this bowl right here to clean them. That's how I clean my vegetables. Everything goes into the bowl. Oh, did I mention beets? I'm putting beets in there too. Yeah, beets. Okay, I'm gonna give the camera over to my granddaughter Isis so she can continue. Okay. So I'm putting my potatoes in this bowl so I can clean them thoroughly clean them. Put my bell peppers in here too. I'm gonna rinse all this stuff off at one time. Wash them. Get it over with. Okay. Put that in there too. Wash that off. And oh yeah, I got to lay out the paper towel to put the stuff on after I wash them. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, my pot. And this is the pot that the soup is going in. Okay, and I'm putting it. So get it started. Really good. slow there a little bit. After that. And this is how I clean my vegetables. Kind of rub it up there a little bit. Turn stuff around. Over. I need to get me a vegetable cleaning towel. A scrubber. That's what I need to do, get me a vegetable scrubber. You have to rinse it off thoroughly because you don't want to poison yourself with this here liquid soap. Give it a couple of good rinses. Okay.